Hey everyone, want to save your TreeSize scan results or share them with someone else? Exporting a report lets you keep a record of your storage analysis, compare scans over time, or send the information to a colleague or client. In this full guide, I'll show you how to export reports from TreeSize free step by step. So let's get started. Before exporting a report, you'll need to scan a drive or folder. Click Select Directory, choose the location you want to analyze, and wait for the scan to finish. Once the results appear, you're ready to create a report. After the scan is complete, look for the Export option on the toolbar or within the File menu, depending on your version of TreeSize Free. If you don't see an export feature, keep in mind that some report formats and advanced export options are available only in TreeSize Professional. Next, choose the report format that's available in your version. Depending on the edition you're using, you may be able to export as a text file, CSV file, or another supported format. Select the format that works best for your needs. Choose a location where you'd like to save the report, enter a file name, and click Save. I mean, using a descriptive name, such as the drive name and today's date, makes it easier to find the report later. Once the export finishes, navigate to the folder where you saved the report and open it. Review the contents to confirm that all the information you need was included. If you're comparing storage usage over time, keep multiple reports in the same folder for easy reference. Whenever you perform another scan, you can export a new report and compare it with previous results. This helps you monitor storage growth, identify trends, and track the effectiveness of your cleanup efforts over time. And that's how to export reports from TreeSize Free. Saving your scan results is a simple way to document disk usage and keep track of storage changes over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.